Wait.
What letter was that? A.
That was O. Somebody B. What was that?
A mixture between A and W.
Okay, who's doing E? Come on, give me an E. Give me an E. Give me an F. Give me a G. He's going for it. Give me an H. Give me an I. Give me a J.
It's in a capella.
Give me a K. Give me an L.
Oh fuck.
Give me an L. Give me an M. Give me an N. O. P. Got the Q. R. S. T.
That's a...
We got a T. U. V. W. Who's going for W? X. Y.
Everybody
Z.
together. That was
Umlaut.
No.
Okay.
Now do the, now I know my ABC.
That's it. That was stupid.